If you've been involved in an auto accident, or car crash, I like to call them, and somebody's at fault, or somebody's not the other party's not at fault, and you have applied for your PIP. You know what that is, personal injury protection. All automobiles in Oregon that are driven in Oregon have to have personal injury protection, which means they'll pay all medical bills up to the amount the policy says for reasonable and necessary medical bills for a year. So if you have that kind of accident and you're going to the doctor and you have a neck injury, I will guarantee you that your insurance company, your PIP carrier, is going to send you for what they call, and I laughingly call, an IME, an independent medical examination. Now, they have a right under the policy, under the law, to have this IME, but they have a bunch of doctors that are in their pocket. And the only reason they're sending you to the IME is that they don't want to continue paying your medical bills. So they tell you, Mr. Injured Person, I want you to see Dr. Smith on November 5th, whatever it is. You go there and the doctor gives you this cursory examination and checks you out and checks your medical records, and he's going to find something in there that looks a little pre-existing. And he's going to write back to the insurance company. He's going to say one of three things. One, you were not injured, but that's probably not too accurate, but he'll say it maybe sometime. Or he's going to say you're injured and you're better because you've had only 6 weeks worth of treatment. Or he's going to say that you're injured, but you're better, but your injuries that you're suffering today are caused by a pre-existing condition. So, again, the purpose of that IME is to cut off your medical. Now, they may give you another month or 6 weeks, and then they won't pay your medical bills. Now, let me tell you something about that. Under Oregon law, that if they do that, see a lawyer, because the lawyer can get paid attorney's fees from the insurance company if he wins that. And so he sends a letter to them, he or she tells them that it's not right, he requests arbitration, and so it's not tried in front of a jury. And my experience is, and I've been doing this for a long, long time, that 98 out of 100, those cases are won, and sometimes the insurance company winds up over a $1,000 bill of $5,000 or $10,000 attorney's fees. So they'll pay them. So if that happens to you, if they want an IME, your PIP carrier, if you do it, which you're probably going to have to, and they say no more medical bills, get a lawyer. Won't cost you anything.